Yo, theater.
Wanna see them viewers? Adija Palmer, aka Vybz Kartel, is now a free man. Him and him co-accuse them. So no, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We're gonna talk about Vybz Kartel and how him bust off him case. Plus, Cracktown, turn Ghost Town, and Hothead bust off a murder charge and forward a road come dead. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make you know what I go on, pre this.
This is Cracktown. So he dead. Okay, so he dead. So the whole place dead. Ghost Town. Ghost Town. Ghost Town. Ghost Town. Ghost Town. As far as I can look, a ghost town. Ghost Town.
Wanna see that, my viewers? That a Cracktown, a community in a jungle. And as you can see, gang war mash up the community them. The people them can't even come out a door come take some breeze. Everybody a feel lock up in a them house. You no see what you do to the community them. The man we call themselves Dance and General. You no see where go on, boy, ya brother. You no see say no war now win, boy, ya. You no see say the youth them just a run out pan them nose. And I got jail and who na dead. You no see where I go on. So as what I say, my people, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. War a fight from Wappy kill fill up. Youth up the road can't go down the road. And if you live cross the road, you can't even go round the road. Cause if you don't know where you do, a man will put a 9 ball in your head. So see them viewers, big brawling there. And Cracktown look like Ghost Town. Only a little mongrel we see on the road though. So my people, walk with me now. Me hear a bag of noise a make boy. Me hear Dutch pattern knock boy. Me hear music turn up loud boy. Woman a run up and down and a scream boy. And me there did a wonder what go on boy. Till me go hear say no Adija Palmer, aka Vybz Kartel get free boy. My people, big things are going boy right now. The people them a celebrate boy. When you hear that, Kartel they pan sell back from 2011, you know. And look them people, today there, the judge decide for set Kartel and him co-accuse them free, me I tell you no. My people, wanna think about this. Cause today me drop a review, you know, and say today a Kartel big day, you know. And enough for you come in the comment section and say Kartel nah free. Him nah go nowhere. A retrial settings. So enough for you have to say about this now. Hey my people, eh? And wanna think Clive Lizard family them have to say about this. Eh? Wanna feel the justice system fail them? Or no? Kartel bust off him case clean. Win him case. And I go come back a road now come mash up the place. So as I say my viewers, the party a start boy, you know. Everybody a talk boy, you know. A group up boy, you know. Rum and boom dep on table boy, you know. So as I say, Adija Palmer, Vybz Kartel, is now a free man. The judge set him and him co-accuse them free. So my viewers, walk with me again. Moving on to our next topic again. Where we see Hothead top busted from over in a Linstead. Bust off a murder charge and come back a road and feel like say everything did good. Squaddy them see him. Pull up on him foot. Him never want give in himself freely. Rip off matic pan squaddy them and in a shootout. Till squaddy them have to fling him down and pronounce him brawling. See them viewers. Another juvenile. Gone round a Paris gone lay down pan ice though. People, squaddy them now joke a road, you know. And you know know that, you know. And as I say, them send back Hothead a road after him dopey a man and the dep and bail. And see it, my people. Come like I send him back a road for go film, for go splash out him marrow, me I tell you no. Cause I saw the system set boy. Yeah. So all who feel like say them a go there road a dopey people family and I do things. And feel like nothing a go happen to Uno or Funo family. Think again. Calm at the round the corner and wait for enough for Uno for bust out on the head. Some people, Uno stay safe out there, you know. Protect Funo 3 pints. Until next time, Uno see me.